Welcome to an extraordinary tale of beauty, ambition, and dreams that reach for the stars. Today, we are diving into the glittering pageant that made history, Miss Universe India 2024, an event that marked the dawn of a new era in Indian pageantry. This isn't just a beauty contest, it's a celebration of strength, grace, and purpose. Held at the iconic Zee Studios in Jaipur, India, on 22nd September 2024, this grand affair showcased the best of Indian talent under the visionary leadership of the Glamour Group. For the first time ever, the Miss Universe India pageant stood as its own entity, with none other than Nikhil Anand as the national director, turning the spotlight towards a new breed of contestants destined to make their mark on the global stage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on Ria's journey and other exciting stories from the world of beauty pageants. Who knows, we might just witness the next Miss Universe from India. But what makes this pageant truly special? The night saw the crowning of Rhea Singha, a 19-year-old Bollywood actor, model, and entrepreneur, as Miss Universe India 2024. Rhea, a woman of immense talent and poise, is now set to represent India at the Miss Universe 2024 competition, scheduled for 16th November 2024 in Mexico City. Stay tuned as we unravel every moment of this glittering spectacle and dive into the facts, history, and impact of this monumental event. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell for more exciting stories from the world of pageantry and beyond. Let's step back and appreciate the historical significance of the Miss Universe India pageant. For decades, India has produced global beauty icons who have not only dazzled the world with their looks but also showcased talent and intelligence. From Sushmita Sen winning Miss Universe in 1994 to Lara Datta's victory in 2000, India's place on the global pageant map has been legendary. However, in 2024, a new milestone was achieved as Miss Universe India became a standalone event under the Glamour Group, marking its inaugural edition. This inaugural event was not just another pageant, it was a symbol of India's evolving beauty industry. The fact that the competition spanned from 9th September to 22nd, 2024, with the grand final being held at Zee Studios, Jaipur, speaks to the prestige and effort poured into this spectacular event. Hosted by Filipino actor and model Lance Raimundo and NGO NGC Giaha, Miss Teen International 2022, the show was a mesmerizing display of beauty and talent, live-streamed on the official Miss Universe YouTube channel for millions to witness. Now let's talk about the woman of the moment, Rhea Singha. At just 19, Rhea has already made history, not only by becoming Miss Universe India 2024 but also by demonstrating that beauty with purpose truly defines today's queens. A Bollywood actress and model, Rhea has always been passionate about fitness and entrepreneurship. As a TEDx speaker, she advocates for youth empowerment, launching her own initiative called Work Ready with Rhea to help vernacular medium students upskill their communication skills for better job opportunities. Rhea's journey to the crown wasn't a stroke of luck. Prior to her Miss Universe India victory, she had already been crowned Miss Teen Earth 2023, becoming the first Indian to win this prestigious title in Madrid, Spain. Her triumph at Miss Teen Earth cemented her place as one of India's most promising young women, ready to take on the world stage. Now, as Miss Universe India, she is determined to shine brighter, focusing on using her platform for causes close to her heart, like education and youth empowerment. What's even more inspiring is how Rhea balances her various roles: model, entrepreneur, fitness enthusiast, and even a children's book author. Her book, which won the Critics Award, showcases her multifaceted talent and commitment to using her skills for a broader impact. Rhea is also an ambassador at large for GLS University, pursuing a Bachelor of Performing Arts. She is the embodiment of modern beauty queens, powerful, intelligent, and driven by a purpose. The Miss Universe India 2024 pageant itself was a dazzling event from start to finish. From the auditions that took place across the country to the glamorous finale in Zee Studios, the competition was fierce. Neetu Kumari, State Director of Miss Universe Bihar, highlighted the significance of this competition, stating that this platform has the potential to transform lives. And indeed, it has. This year, Bihar hosted the Miss Universe India auditions for the first time, giving young women from the region an opportunity to shine on a national stage. Among the standout moments was Kajal Chaudhary, who won the Miss Universe Bihar 2024 title, alongside runner-ups Anjali from Muzaffarpur and Divyanshi Sachi from Begusarai. With top-tier judges like Arshina Sumbul, Miss Grand India 2023, and Sophia Singh, Miss Asia Pacific 2024, overseeing the selection process, the competition maintained a high standard, pushing contestants to bring their A-game to the stage. Beyond just the glamour, this pageant also focused on empowering women and providing them with platforms to succeed in various fields. Tanishka Sharma, Miss Teen Earth India 2024, was one of the many inspiring figures in attendance, further emphasizing the growing diversity and talent emerging from India. Now that Rhea Singha has earned her crown, the real journey begins. All eyes will be on her as she prepares to represent India at the Miss Universe 2024 pageant in Mexico on 16 November 2024. This competition is set to be historic, with contestants from all over the world coming together at the Arena CDMX in Mexico City to compete for the coveted Miss Universe title. Can Rhea bring home the crown, following in the footsteps of Sushmita Sen and Lara Datta? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain, India will be rooting for her, and the world will be watching. What an exciting journey it's been, from the inaugural Miss Universe India 2024 to the promising future that lies ahead for Rhea Singha. India has once again proven that its beauty queens are more than just faces, they are change makers with the power to inspire the world. As Rhea heads to Miss Universe 2024 in Mexico, let's cheer her on and celebrate the rise of a new generation of Indian queens. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.